Let's become the Grinch.
Got my design and all the makeup laid out.
Paint yourself green. Yes, yes! Now let's add fur.
Layering dark tones, midtones, and highlights to create the illusion of fur. Let's create some face wrinkles by adding brown to our green. Indeed, I got a little carried away. But I added little dots, I blended out the wrinkles, and now I'm going to add highlights to those wrinkles.
Add in your eyebrows. Layer the paint. Paint your little schnauzer.
I got a lot of 2D fur painted on, but I think it'd be fun to add some 3D stuff coming off the sides, just for like, the profile. I'm gonna glue these pieces down using Prozade, which is a skin-safe adhesive.
Getting nice and fluffy.
Oh, that's looking good. We're filling in the lower lip here, and then we're gonna get in costume and we'll be all done.
It came without ribbons. It came without tags. It came without packages, boxes, or bags.
I love how this turned out. Let me know what you guys think. Merry Grinchmas. I love you all. Keep being awesome.